Yes. Well, I don't know, share One Nation, Imara Nation. Welcome, ladies and G's, to my YouTube channel. My name is Negusimara, and welcome to another episode of Negus Speaks. Yes, the title is very controversial. You understand? It's very controversial. Do Jamaican men live to please other men? Whoa! But before even going into that right now, I just want to tell you guys there's a link in my bio right now where you can get wonderful hair products from a Jamaican company called Tropic I Live. You understand that's a Jamaican company that I am the brand ambassador for. You understand? Yes, me is a brand ambassador. Your boy out here working. You understand? So if you want some wonderful hair products, ladies, your edges are going away. Let us help you find them. You understand? We have the hair growth serum, the black castor oil, various blends. Brothers, you're going bald? Get the black castor oil. You understand what I deal with? Yes. We have various blends. We have the extra dark blend, we have the regular blend, we have the light blend. You can put it in your skin, put it in your beard, all of them things. You understand? We have leave-in hair mist. We have shampoos and conditioners. We have bath and shower gels. We have everything we only need. Everything we only need for the ear. We have it. You understand what I deal with? Yes. So make sure you click the link in the bio. Any orders over $50, shipping is free, and make sure you use my code Negus10 for your discount. You understand? So you don't have to pay all of the money, you pay a little bit. Because you with my discount, you're not going to pay all the money, you're going to pay a little bit with my discount. And remember, orders over $50, free. Domestically in America, of course. Yes, so you don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. And yes, I have a wonderful topic here to discuss. You understand? And this tweet here was made by Mystique, you know, the jeweled doll from Twitter. Big up yourself, mama. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing, and she said, she made a statement. Jamaican men live for please, man. Trouble. Me don't know where I go, and mama chip lick that day there. See me a whole heap of man and say, yo, mama, what you talk about? Talk about the man when you talk to. You understand? Some people say, yo, mama, about with that when I need them thing there. You understand? Now for the girl, they must say, achoo. Well, we come for have an open discussion right now. You see me? So what I do? I do a poll on my YouTube channel. Big up my YouTube subscriber. You understand? Big up on yourself. I'm gonna do it. I say, yo, do Jamaican men live to please other men? 61% said true. 39% said false. You understand? Crazy. That is crazy. Some crazy numbers right there. So I'm going to do another poll on my Instagram where 66% said true and 34% said false. And understand this, you know. And both of them platform there, are mostly men follow me. But most of them platform there. Pretty crazy. So it's like, you can't even say, yo, I just woman a vote. And mostly man follow me on both of them platform. Yeah. So it's like, it's crazy if you see the numbers them. So the man them who vote, whether I want to vote yes or no, I appreciate the honesty and how I want to feel. But, you know, we're going to go in at some of them comments here real quick before me give my take. You see me, cause my take are pretty interesting. So the first comment to have right here, sir, I am Lando Clark. Lando Clark said, no, sir, I'm not live for please. No, man, my father dead. I not desert my friends to please my woman though, because she will never stop talking to her friends for you. Any man no know that is a real madman. That is reality. Enough of them girl will not, you know, end them relationship or jeopardize them relationship with them girlfriend for suit you. So you for make sure that you secure your friendship with your dog them, you understand? And when man do them thing, they secure them friendship with them brethren, you know, they are looked at like they are gay or them love man or whatever. That's not the case. Men just cherish friendship. You understand? Because we alone have our best interest at heart when it comes to like societal things. You see me? Like everybody feel like man's supposed to done have it together already. It's supposed to be this rock where everybody can rely upon. But the pressures of the world that fall on a man can only be understood by other men. So we talk to our brethren and them understand fully. Because what if a woman feel like they are oppressed and them not care what a man got through? You're supposed to be a man, is supposed to be the rock where everybody can lean upon. So, you know, talk to a woman on certain things. You can't even do that because the minute you start complaining, you're seen as a little girl. Why you whining? So you only can confide in your brethren and him alone understand where you are go through and where you are feel. So unnecessary say the man them love man. It's just that we understand one another. So Tony underscore Carise. Of course, it won't apply to every Jamaican man. So if you know it doesn't apply to you, stop tripping over it. Exactly. Because when I saw this tweet, it didn't affect me one bit. Come in, no me no live for please. No man. No man. I could continue. But the truth is, I've seen many men pick their homeboys over their woman many times. To hang out, to make life decisions. They would rather embarrass their woman and look good in front of their homeboys, and that's on God. No, you see the part now where she said they would embarrass their woman and look good in front of their homeboys. Una waste, man. If Uno do that, Una waste, man. Embarrass a woman in front of your brethren them to look cool. Bro, you're a waste, bro. But I don't agree with up here, so what she said. Pick their own boys over their women to hang out, to make life decisions. You have to remember, as I just say, we understand one another. So it's like when we go some man show with friends at certain levels, them get it. More time, me a reason with some of my ex-girlfriend, it's like them. And people can say, oh, it's the woman that you choose. Oh, it's the woman that you choose. Yo, I'm telling you something. No founder don't give a damn what men go through. Uno don't care. So let's not act like uno care. You understand how I deal it? Don't do it. But me not agree with that part. I just say they would rather say we pick. It's not all right to hang out. A lot of females don't even know what the man interested in her. Uno don't even know what the man like. So the hang out to uno want hang out, I will uno want do. Not for uno don't even care what uno man like. Uno don't even know. So when time the dog don't want hang out with you, it's not say him pick him own boy over here. It's just you're not fun. A man can pre this. I'm showing our levels. A man can dep on the ends with him brethren. I talk about one topic for about 3 hours. Whether football, whether a car, whatever. For 3 hours, one same topic, and full joy themselves. But when it comes to certain woman, it's like, you don't even know where to find joy. So all over the place. Again, it's not that man love man. It's just that we get with one another. You understand? We understand one another. Can we go to another comment right there? Tapman underscore Lee said, women always resort to these kind of shame tactics when they're not held up. Come again. Women always resort to these kind of shame tactics when they're not held a paramount of priorities in every moment. That's facts. Truth is, a lot of men rather prioritize a bro because bros are oftentimes more trustworthy. Different strokes for different folks, though. She just be dating the wrong men. That's true. A lot of men confide in enough owner as woman. I want to take it through it back in that dog them face. Take it through it in that dog them face. Because if I remember, a woman's strongest weapon is her mouth. And she will dig deep and find the most disrespectful thing for hurt your feelings. So sometimes you confide in them. Boom! And ladies, we're having an open discussion. Don't be dismissive and say, oh, it's just the women that you choose. Because we as men, just like what him said, she just be dating the wrong men. We can say the same thing about the jeweled. We can say the same thing and just end the conversation there. Oh, mama, I just demand them where you personally pick. But we're having an open discussion, so don't try to be dismissive. Go move to another comment right now, car. Comment them at breaking. I don't know what this means, but I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. In a way, she's right, because if as Jamaican, what? In a way, she right, because if as a Jamaican man, if you don't succumb to the ways of regular societal Jamaican men, them outcasts, especially when you're an introvert, that is true. And we can see how a lot of them don't have individual thoughts. Them operate the same. Them think the same. Them do everything the same. And he's talking about a specific group of men that I agree with this right here. And me don't want a friend like that neither. All of my friends, them supposed to can be individuals. All of them supposed to can be individual and think for themselves. Just like, oh, we have You can't even say certain things within the English language. Let's call a spade a spade. Them say, oh dog, it's just a part of culture. No. It past culture now and it comes to something where uno just wild. This wild culture. It's not a bad thing. It's fun. It's funny. But someone want to take it overboard to which part uno look wild. Why this? Why that? Yo dog, where? Uno wild, brother. Go to another comment now. This one is by Lee Babe. Where's the lie? Though it's not all of them. One thing I like with the woman them do, them know say not all men. And I don't think it's most men either. I feel like it's them trying to live up to societal norms and trying to avoid anything seen as taboo in our culture. But it's not only the men, but women too. Facts. Because what the first thing a woman will tell you? When time them look good and get themselves ready. Oh, we don't do it for men. Then how we do it for mama? Other woman? Okay, you just confess to me then. You do it for other woman. People, a lot of people live to please other people. Whether specific gender or whatever. People live for please other people. That's why I want to buy some of the most expensive things and people really don't give a damn. Want to buy the most expensive things for show off and show us they want to have this and show us they want to have that. Whack. Next comment. Newts 101. Not live for please a soul but God. If I feel like I stress out and I need to link my dog them for de-stress and recharge with 2 beer and some FIFA, cool. It is never a good habit to let your girl see you as weak. She's biological programmed to seek security. This dude is spitting. A mentally unstable man is not that. Love your girl, but don't tell her you're depressed. Believe me. What did I say earlier? She will see you as this weak little baby. She will see you as a weak man. And a lot of these women don't want to hear that. They want you to continue to be this big rock where everybody can lean upon. Even when you're weak down and you're shrivel down. You're supposed to maintain that frame 100%. Nothing to do you. So we can understand, say, yo, our virgin will get where we are talking about. You understand? We will understand, say, your era. Jano, yo, my dog, I understand now, because I'm going through the same thing. You don't know the pressures a man go through in a hurt, you know? And the first thing come out of my mind are some little shame tactics. You don't even know the man. You don't even know how him operate or why him operate or him operate is just, oh, you live for please other man. Come on. Some of them women they were complaining them are living nightmare without knowing it themselves. Bomba! Any sensible human being are gonna be around the people who don't stress him or her. So sometimes when a man always there with him friends them, the way him friends them there is because him go home. All him a go here is times when him on the road. And a lot of females have some underdeveloped personalities too, so we can't even sit and reason with uno. Being loyal is not all it takes to be a good partner. That dude spitting right there, bro. Zaza _ 876. Big up yourself, bro. That's a good comment right there, bro. You understand? A lot of uno don't even, as a man say, uno have underdeveloped personalities. Uno don't even know how to communicate. Uno just make up on the face and feel like things for us fix. Stop trying to shame men. Talking about, oh, yo, you must love man, you must F man. Because every day you always step on the road. You are annoying. You are annoying. Understand that. A man will sit down in him care for about an hour. When him come from work, him sit down in him care for about an hour. That's a bill. Sit down in him care easy back before him coming at the house. Just for get himself ready for the bullshit. We don't understand if you sit down and learn for talk and communicate with the man. King Pharaoh, and you have some man love tell them friend everything. All if them I go on date with woman, them I tell for them friend them. And enough of them love put them friend over them woman. A be man style that. Me no put no friend over my woman and my picnic come first, not friend. Enough of them no show them woman love because them no want them friends say them soft. I've seen that too. And them man a waste man. These dudes are waste. Me I tell them say them a waste man, brother. Me I tell her that straight up. I mean I go around it. No for now waste man. The comment earlier where the girl say, them we rather style all them woman in front of them friend for look cool. I've seen that you're whack. I don't want no friend like that. Uno lame, brother. I don't know why the girl them say when man congregate with other man, oh man, you must love man. No. It's easier to de-stress around my dog where I go understand me and get certain levels than somebody where I go, and you know what too? Some of them girls, they make it about them. You come in with your problem. What about me? Wait. Me I go through this. Me I go through that. Nobody know why I hear that, mama. Next comment. Real queen in the deck. Okay. Wonderful name. The name the langy. Most Jamaican men are like this. I don't agree with that. Most are like this. As a woman, when you sit down and hold certain conversation with them, this is literally what we're left with. Everything they do is to either show off to them dogs or to impress. It is rare you find one that literally don't give a F and just do him. As I say, all of my dog them have independent thought. I don't want my dog them move like me. Because if my dog them move like me, they're not going to show me my flaws and my ways. You understand my daily? Want my brethren them have independent thought and can think for self. Some I want to love each up behind some man. PP, clock. If your brethren poop, you can know if a rice and peas or white rice him eat. That's why I want to make it look bad for man. We actually congregate with man for de-stress. With him dog them, beat 2 beer, play 2 FIFA, reason about nothing. It's easy for man have fun, you know. It is super easy for man have fun and entertain himself. Next comment. It is a disgusting narrative if you ask me. When Jamaican men show the least bit of love to a fellow brother, it's either set them a be man or live for please man. But when them in a gang war and a kill people, say them cruel. Make up on the mind. That's pretty true. That is pretty true. If a Jamaican man show love to another Jamaican man, him gay. Him a one of them, yeah. That's a sick thought. That is a sick thought. Now understand buck breaking took place in Jamaica. But we also know what is gay and what is not gay. But we have developed a culture and perpetuated a culture that make it look suspect if you show love to another Jamaican man. That's crazy, bro. When they put them something, G. Next comment. This is the last, I think. Yeah. Natty Nubian. She said, can't eat banana, lick ice cream, have feelings, say the number 2, etc. All because of our next man thing. Thankfully, not all Jamaican men are that idiotic. When I said earlier, the man them what this girl I describe are the man them will make it bad for man like me and my dog them where genuinely have love for one another. We don't love man, but we have love for one another as brothers. You can't even say the number 2 because of what a next man I gonna say. Yo, why? Wait. That's dumb. You can't even lick all of one ice cream. You wanna stop eat rum and raisin. You wanna stop drink Pepsi because of Aishana. Because of what somebody else I gonna say. Subliminally, or not subliminally, subconsciously, you carry out these acts that show say you value other people opinions of yourself. You not secure within yourself to know say yo as a man, me Gucci, me govern, me not care with them people I want to because me know who I am as a man. And I'm going to end the video with this. Someone need to grow up. I understand what that girl I say when she say Jamaican men live for please man. But we know say it's a she generalize. But it's a big enough problem for her to can generalize. We've seen it. The white culture is the biggest indicator of man seek other man validation. No for don't even want to hold out on a girl and in a public because you don't want to seem like on a soft. You don't even want to kiss a girl or show public affection to the girl because you don't want another man clown. So watch a girl clown and watch a yamedia. I'm going to tell you this. Me rather a man clown me if I do something with a woman. Zine? than a clown me for now have a woman. You see one thing about me? I like a baddie around me, bro. I like baddies, bro. Me like girl look good. And if mama want kiss, me I go kiss you in front of everybody, mama. You want to hold on, we are hold on, mama. It's not a man and me a hold, it's not a man me a kiss. So you want clown all you want. Oh, you want your boy Negus, I love a boy. Yes, me G. I guess you also look good too. Yes, you also look fantastic. And the body does a project out of the dress. And the titty them turn up tiff. Yeah, Perry, my sitting this. You understand what I'm dealing? Mm-hmm. Someone want to live for please, man, and it's sad. So I feel like someone want to genuinely love, man. I want to fight off the body demons them by projecting. All this YY behavior, no found, bro. It's if one did really secure with himself, and this is not for all on. Someone want to genuinely run a joke, but you say this Y culture, bro. I feel like no found a project, no found really a fight off the body demons them, bro, for try to maintain a straight frame. But really and truly, brother, when you do them thing there, you're revealing something. As I say, not for all on, you know. Because I know say no found secure within yourself when just running jokes. I do it sometimes too. When time I hear a certain thing, I don't do it a lot though, because I find it annoying. Every minute I talk to some of your friends, them burn up. Bro, time and place for everything, bro. But somehow, no, what we gonna do? We not gonna work interview them saying, yes, Mr. Negus, thank you for coming. Burn up. You're not gonna get the job, brother. You're not going to get the job. Because this man is going to say, look at this retarded bastard. Look at this clown. Talking about bun up. It moved from something cultural to something ignorant. And I agree with the statement she made, but it's a broad statement. She's generalizing. I believe some Jamaican men live to please other men. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been Negus Speaks. I would love to hear your thoughts and your comments. Leave it in the comment section. You understand? I don't want to think, I don't want to feel. Because really and truly, enough of them youth a wobble and them a hide it with this white thing. Bless upon yourself. You don't know say one nation. Up move!